Alright guys, another storage unit. It's been a minute. I'm actually in a nice spot. It's nice and sunny out here. But I paid, there's a 10 by 10. I paid 160. Sorry, I paid 180 with taxes. And I didn't really see, it looks like a bunch of junk. I didn't really see anything too great. Just a couple suitcases in the back there. Thought I can get maybe a little bit of my money back with those. And then, what else did I see? I saw this Burberry. I think it's Burberry shopping bag. Other than that, that's all I saw really. So I'm gonna start going through and I'll let you guys know if I find anything good. All right, guys, a little update. I found a bunch of like lipstick and like perfumes and stuff. YSL. This is like almost full. All these like different, you know, things. These are all full. Lipsticks. There's all lipsticks here. All, and I looked at a couple of them. They're brand new. So I found that. There's some decent clothing. There's some more. Like, look at all these lipsticks here. These are all like. I'm pretty sure these are all brand new. Crazy. And then, yo, look at this back here. Looks like they had an animal in here. Looks like they had like a bunny or a rabbit or something in here, which is crazy. And then, yo, I just pulled this out over here. You guys, check this out. Check this out. I looked up one of them, and it's from like supposedly from 1940s. Italian, silver plated, and it looks like everything is here. So this could be some good money. I'm not 100% sure, but this could be some good money right here. So pretty crazy find. If it's, you know, worth something. So that's what I found so far. Still gotta go through this huge mound of stuff. And definitely got my money back easily. So I'm gonna let you guys know. I'll let you guys know, you know, what else I find. All right, guys. So it's the next day. I forgot to film, like at the end of the day yesterday. But this is basically, I went through everything. This is what's left. I'm gonna go through it more thoroughly today. It's basically all clothing. I found a lot of good clothing though. Yesterday there's probably a good like 50-60 pieces of like really, you know, good clothing. Lululemon, Nike, Adidas, Polo. So there's a lot of good stuff, but I'm gonna go through it again and like separate like donation. There's still stuff in here that I'm probably gonna keep. There's a lot of kid stuff as well, and then like I'll probably go to donation. There's a Value Village close by here, like 10 minutes away. So I'll probably take a bunch of this stuff to donation, and then whatever else would be garbage. But I'll have to do garbage probably on a Monday because today the dump is closed. So I'll probably have to come back on Monday and take the garbage. But yeah, this unit was good. It's a lot of work. I'm gonna go through. I might even be able to find more stuff today, like more good stuff today. I'm gonna go through it like more in depth. But for 180, definitely gonna make some good money, especially with all those like perfumes and lipsticks and stuff. That's gonna get me, you know, a good amount of money. And then the clothing, and then whatever I find today. If I find anything, even found these, like these Jordans. You know, these are decent, and I think pretty sure these are legit. So I gotta find the other pair. It's in here. I saw it yesterday somewhere. So yeah, stay tuned. So a little update. Check out all this stuff. This is like all the other stuff that I found. That's good. Like more clothing, shoes. I even found more of these. Like lipstick. A bunch more. It's like what? 3, 6 here. And so I found those. This is all garbage bags here. It's all donation. I'm gonna go soon. this stuff, and then these garbage bags is garbage, and this like pretty much went through everything again, and this is like pretty much all garbage. So got a lot more work to do. This unit, there's tons of stuff, but a lot of garbage and donation. So probably gonna spend a few more hours going through this stuff. Probably just you know, putting it in garbage bags. And I might do one more trip for donation, like bigger stuff. And then yeah, hopefully I can get most of this done and then come back. Probably have to come back on Monday and take everything. Hopefully I can do one trip. I'm not sure if I can though. But yeah, this unit was good. Like these units with tons of stuff, like there is a lot of work, but you can find a lot of good stuff to resell, right? So, and this unit wasn't even really full, you know. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. If I find anything else that's crazy, I'll update you guys. And yeah. Okay guys, just finishing up. Got one more trip downstairs, but I got it all cleared out. Took a little while. Took a good, I'd say probably a good like 10 hours to clear that out. But I wanted to go through everything thoroughly, make sure I didn't miss anything. So I think this one, just with the clothing, I'll get my money back easily. I'll probably already be in the profit with just the clothing. And then all that cosmetic stuff that I found, lipsticks and creams and stuff, I counted last night, and there was about over 150 pieces. So even if I only get like 20 bucks, 15 bucks a piece, that's gonna be a good chunk of money. And then last night when I was going through everything, when I was going through that bag that had all the cosmetic stuff, I found a gold chain, 14 karat. I'm actually wearing it right now. Where is it? $14 karat. I just gotta take it to a jeweler and just make sure it's like real. But if it is, then you know, that's another good chunk of money. So this unit was really good. It's been a minute since I got like a good unit like this, probably a couple months. But yeah, this one was solid. It's gonna be some good profit, at least a couple thousand, I would say, in profit on this one. And these are the units I like. These are the units I like buying. Kind of like sleeper units. A lot of people pass on them because they look shitty, they look junky. It doesn't look like there's anything, you know, good inside. But these are the ones, like if I see like a few things that look good, then I'll take a chance, especially if it goes cheap. Like this one only went for 160 plus tax 180. So it's not really much risk, right? That's why I like going for these kind of units. And if there's a lot of stuff like 10 by 10 like this, then for sure you're gonna find something that you can at least make your money back. Like, you know, there's gonna be something. And there's a lot of other stuff I found in there that was good too. I found bags, I found toys, like a Sonic figure. I found like a Sonic figure in there. I don't know if I put it in the video, but that's like, I saw one sold on eBay for 80 bucks. So, you know, just like stuff like that adds up. So yeah, this unit was good. Another thing I want to say for all the people that made it to, you know, this far in the video is, so I ran my numbers for like the first 6 months that I've been doing this. So I've bought 20 units and I'm making profit after all expenses and costs and everything. I'm making about $460 per unit, which is, I think, pretty good. Now, the next 6 months, I want to try and improve on that. I want to scale up and, you know, increase, right? Also, my average cost per unit is, I think, around $160, which is right around where I like to be. I like to be around 200, a little bit above, a little bit under. That's kind of where I like to be at with buying these. So I'm thinking moving forward, I'm probably just gonna have to like really pick units better and then also buy more. to kind of increase my numbers if I want to like scale up, right? So that's kind of where I'm at 6 months in. I appreciate you guys for watching, sticking around to the end. If you like this kind of content, subscribe. And I appreciate all you guys, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.